Here the distance is given 300 kilometer and two cases are there. First case 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, and it's in second case 10 kilometer by train and remaining by bus. The time is given, condition of time is given. Now here we will consider the speed of train x and speed of bus, that is y. Total distance 300 kilometer, 60 kilometer by train and remaining 240 kilometer by bus. This is the case first. Now time taken, time equal to distance upon speed, distance upon speed, and this is for train and this is for bus. Speed time equal to distance upon speed, it means 240 upon y. Total time that will be plus this plus this, total time. This is the total time. Then by according to first condition, this is equal to 4 hours. Now we will divide it by 4, then this equation will form. Here 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v we put. Then equation will become 15u plus 60v equal to 1. This is the first equation. Now in case second, the same condition, 100 km by train and 200 km by bus. Time taken by train, distance upon speed 100 upon x, time taken by bus 200 upon y, distance upon speed. Now total time, this addition of these two. Now according to second condition, this 4 hour 10 minutes. 4 hour 10 minutes can be written as 4 into 10 upon 100. Minute will convert into hour. After solving this, we will get 25 upon 6. Now divide it by divided by 25 and multiplied it by 6, then we will find this equation. Put this value, then this will be the second equation. Then these two equations are there in u and v. Apply the cross multiplication formula or any formula. Find the value of u and v. Then after putting here u and v, we will get the value of x and y. That will be the speed of train and speed of bus.